is Sukriti. Welcome back to my channel. And title से खुद मतलब title is like very loud and clear about itself कि this video is going to be about me not using my phone or a laptop for 24 freaking hours and I don't know how I'll be able to do that, but मैं पूरी श्रद्धा के साथ ये challenge करने वाली हूँ. Actually मैंने अपनी flatmate को phone देने की जगह ये decide करा that I'll make it harder for me by keeping it in front of me, hearing the notifications ring and अगर मैंने notifications check करी अब तो I'll let you know, but I'll try कि मैं ना check करूँ. कॉल मेरे को एक आई है which was something work related but I didn't pick. मैंने सिर्फ Instagram पर बताया था that I'll be doing this challenge और WhatsApp पर नहीं डाला. I'm on this challenge say from 6:30 in the morning.
Do I have your attention?
Also because I don't have like a small handy cam sort of a thing, तो मैं ऐसे vlogging type वाला video नहीं बना सकती. I have this camera set up on my tripod, तो जो भी मैं बोलूँगी maybe किसी setup पर ही बोलूँगी ऐसे in front of the camera, not holding it. And yeah, so this is my breakfast. I ordered this Havmocha Nutty Belgian dark chocolate. I was craving. It's so bad. And this shake. And उसके बाद let's see what I will do to pass my time. ठीक है, अच्छा है. So now I have been up to DIYing things. She was sitting with me. Her name is Buffy. Now look into her eyes. How innocent. Look at that. This for my room's door. I saw this DIY on Pinterest like काफ़ी टाइम पहले और अब मैं देख नहीं पा रही. उसमें simply लिखा था I thought I'll write Sukriti's room and then make some leaves like these. Let's see how this would turn out to be. And also the boxes that I have had are like these and these to store something, or we have kept it like that we can DIY something later. What I'm going to do now is paint them in like a single color or something and pass my time. And maybe I'll also clean my cupboard because that's the best way to pass my time. Yeah. So right now Buffy has gone for a walk नीचे and now we were sitting enjoying in the balcony together. I didn't know कि ये दिन इतना अच्छा होने वाला है ना बोबो? है ना बोबो? बोबो? So passing time is apparently not hard today. And yeah, I'll update you later. So it's I guess 1 or 2 and I have DIY'd a little something. I'm working on it क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ रेफरेंस नहीं मिल पा रहा है, खुद से सोच के करना है. तो I'm just thinking कि मैं उसमें और क्या कर सकती हूँ. Then I'll probably end it and then update you. So this is the progress. This is how much I have picked up. I wanted to add a pop of color, so I thought nothing better than magenta pink. But because my imagination is not working that well, मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रही मुझे कैसे flowers बनाने हैं. So yeah, let's see. I don't want to ruin this, and I just hope that it doesn't, get ruined. Let's see. So it's ready. This is how it looks. Now she's having her lunch. Okay, now this is what I love. Ignore my legs. Bobo is really friendly with me now. I just made her eat her food, and अब ये थोड़ा सा I feel मेरे पीछे पीछे आती है मेरे को देख के because she thinks कि मैं इसकी अच्छे से केयर कर रही हूँ, and that's the best thing that happened to me today, I guess. And see, मतलब पहले इसको बुरा लग रहा था if I was touching her, and now her head is on my knee and I can be like this. Look at this face. Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes, baby? Baby, where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? What has happened? उठे आजा आजा आजा. बोबो बोबो बोबो. So now she's coming back. Now it's 3:30 and मुझे नहीं पता था मेरा टाइम इतना अच्छे से पास हो जाएगा बिना मोबाइल के. पहले मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी कि नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं देख पा रही. I'm just curious always. I'll update you later. I have done that DIY peeling se nail kara, as you can see. I am now going to have lunch. It's 4:30. I also painted this box of the ice cream that I had in the morning as a breakfast. And I also painted this mug, and color इसमें सही से नहीं आ रहा है, but it is a decent color. But what happened when I was painting, it broke. So did I DIY? That is of no use anymore. So yeah. So as of now, I am able to control the urge of checking my phone. And I have not cheated you guys, not even a bit. Just that I picked up my father's call and told him to tell everyone in the family that I am doing this challenge and do not to disturb me. And yeah, I'm just thinking I can go to bed for a while. After that, I have tasks planned for the day. सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा जो है of doing this digital detox and no phone, no laptop thingy is that I am. पहले मुझे लगता था मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, बट अब मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है मेरे पास टाइम होता था, बट काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम मैं मोबाइल चलाने में वेस्ट कर देती थी, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द अदर प्रोडक्टिव थिंग्स दैट आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑन द वीकेंड. तो अब की बार व्हाट आई विल डू इज़, अभी शाम को मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई विल गो टू अ फ्रेंड्स प्लेस. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. आई जस्ट रेस्ट फॉर सम टाइम मे बी. अब मैं आराम करूँगी. Yeah. So I woke up around 7 and after that I started reading a book which I'll show you. I was sitting in the balcony. पहले मैं बेड पर लेटे पढ़ रही थी. Then I sat in the balcony and I have completed 20 pages. 8 बजने वाले हैं अभी. There's some light problem because अब अंधेरा हो गया, डे लाइट नहीं है. And just like this book, everything is fucked up in my video from here because there's not enough light. First time in history of playing Uno for like 4 or 5 months continuously every weekend. 20. एक बंदे के पास 20 cards. So I came back around 10 or something, washed a whole lot of utensils and after that I was reading the book again. I resumed reading it. Actually, as soon as I came back, I had this really strong urge of checking, like opening my Instagram, just this Instagram thing. But I resisted. I managed to resist, and yeah, it feels good. But I still know that Jesse 6:30 a.m. I'll wake up kal. I'll put on a story on Instagram, check all the DMs, and just literally get back to the usual thing. But I've realized कि मोबाइल चलाने से actually काफ़ी time waste होता है. Because today I've been reading and मुझे याद आया कि कब से I have just stopped reading books or anything. I just watch videos. I consume content in that way. It is like good, but it is not that good. I feel like I'm missing out on a lot of things today. Yeah. I'll just go organize my cupboard in a bit because I've slept an hour or so in the evening time. Now I'm not sleepy at all. So I've kind of organized my cupboard the best way I could. These are all the dresses and this is the table. I've added this cutesy bitsy thing and I love this room freshener. I'm just going to spray it, and then I have also made this. I'm going to eat this now. It's like almost 1, so I'll probably now just sleep. Yeah, that's it for the day. Tomorrow morning I'll be shooting the outro to let you know all of this experience. Yeah, bye bye, good night. Okay, so it's a new day today and yes, 6:30 बजे सुबह मेरा नो फोन नो लैपटॉप चैलेंज खत्म हो गया था. नाउ लिटिल बैकग्राउंड, मैंने आधे घंटे बाद पहली बार तो फ़ोन चेक करा है 7 और 7:10 अराउंड. एंड रात को व्हेन आई फेल अस्लीप, उसके बाद मेरे को बीच बीच में मैं उठ रही थी, मतलब मेरी नींद अपने आप खुल रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में मेरे यही चल रहा था कि फ़ोन चलाना है 6:30 बजे टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा. तो बीच बीच में मेरी नींद खुल रही थी. आई रिमेंबर 4 बजे लिटरली आई चेक द टाइम फ़ोन पर और फिर मैंने देखा कि टाइम नहीं हुआ है तो मैंने नहीं देखा फ़ोन. I have always felt that I have never been very determined for anything. मतलब यही मेरे अंदर मुझे फ्लॉ लगता है, that I have a lot of self belief and everything, but मैं उतनी ज़्यादा डिटरमाइंड नहीं हूँ शायद, या नहीं थी. But I am like stunned. I really want to appreciate myself for this कि मैंने सच्ची में ये चैलेंज सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर लिया. एंड had there not been Bobo and Buffy, इतना अच्छा दिन नहीं जाता honestly. So I'll just tell you a little like good things that happened throughout the day and the bad things. So because we are so we are using tech in every way in our lives, इस वजह से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें थी जो मेरी रुक गई थी, जो मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. बट so it's basically like काफ़ी काम रुकते हैं, काफ़ी हो भी जाते हैं when you stop using phone and laptop altogether for a day or maybe more. So मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, एक तो I went way strict on this thing कि कुछ भी नहीं चलाना है. I was not able to listen to music. But the good things that happened were I was enjoying the breeze, sitting in the balcony शांति से शाम रात को. And I cleaned my cupboard, जो कि कभी नहीं होता अगर मेरे पास लाइक ये चैलेंज ना होता तो मैं नहीं करती बिकॉज फिर मैं उसमें एनग्रॉस्ड रहती. उसके अलावा दिस इज लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम द शित्जू दैट केम, बोबो, I held a dog for the first time, or a bitch. I just don't like the word bitch. It's very bitchy. So I held a dog for the first time in my arms and hugged her and everything, and it was so surreal. I've never been able to do that to any dog, even if I'm not scared of them. Because I think thoda bahut मैं scared रहती हूँ अंदर से. Hope you like this video. I hope you will try this challenge too. Like the video if you liked it. Let me know in the comments what you found good, what you found bad, what I can improve on or anything. And yeah, I'll see you next time really soon. Comment down your suggestions also maybe, and Love you all. Bye bye.